us. You can't mess with soldiers, no cell big enough to hold us. Came to be a wrecking ball to these boulders. Know this, I ain't scared of these cobras. Over time they tried to just fold us. They thought they could mess with this focus, but there's no room for these locusts, cause real face belief without borders. Hold this. We are, but no one hears. We persevere as we approach the line. We march for all those fears that kept us here. This time they're left behind. They like they don't notice, but they just stand because they can't hold us. Don't you never underestimate soldiers, cause you can build 1,000 walls, you can't hold us. If we just keep running away, we'll never make it alive. Till we stand and we fight, aim fire and blow it away. We're storming enemy lines, leaving no one behind. This rock can't hold us, cause the light is shown us. No fear's big enough to own us. We were never meant to fit in these folders. Know this, I ain't scared of these poses. Over time we all face opponents. They thought they could mess with this focus. They forgot the end of the climb's the coldest. Know this, life's a battlefield of moments. Hold this. We are, but no one hears. We persevere as we approach the line. We march for all those fears that kept us here. This time they're left behind. They like they don't notice, but they're just mad because they can't hold us. Don't you never underestimate soldiers, cause you can build 1,000 walls, you can't hold us. If we just keep running